Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm going to making some raw cookies with the dehydrator. That's quarter cup of mixed nuts. That's cashews and almonds. And that's how it's going to look when it's finished. Then 2 cups of coconut pulp. Mix, mix, mix. Then I'm going to put a quarter cup of shredded coconut. That's just dried coconut and then it's shredded. Then I'm going to put 2 pinches of sea salt. There you go. Trying to get some flax meal. That's just flax seeds which have been grinded up. So I'll put 3 tablespoons of flax seed. That's 1, 2, 3. So just cover it up and it'll food process. Then I'm going to put some almond butter which I melted for a few hours just to make it soft, since it was in the fridge to make it liquidy. It's 1. Then 2 tablespoons of coconut butter. I'll put the ingredients for the recipe down below, the description down below, if you want to know how to do it. And I put everything in a bowl. Put it all in a bowl, the whole mixture. Then I'll take 3 bananas and then I'll food process them. Just cut them into small pieces to give the food processor an easy time with blending. Then it came out nice and creamy. Looks so nice. Then I mix it all up together. And these cookies, you can even put them in the oven at the lowest temperature if you don't mind eating a little bit of cooked cookies. I just prefer raw, it makes me feel better. The cookies are raw. So I just mix and mask like you're making baked cookies. I was trying to scrape the rest of the bananas that had been blended. Then I'll divide them into 2 portions. One for adding strawberries and another for adding cacao butter with a little bit of extra banana. So now I'm going to put the strawberries. I'll put 8 pieces of strawberries. I'll just chop them up into small pieces. Then put in the food processor. And I'm going to make the one for the cacao. Now I'll blend that first. Then that's it. Then for the cacao, I'll just put 1 tablespoonful of, let's see where it is. Yes, half of a banana mashed up with some cacao nibs, 1 tablespoon, and some mashed bananas and some coconut butter. Blend, blend, blend. That one didn't work so well, so I decided to grind it up so that I crush the cacao. Now I'm going to make the cookies, mold them into cookie shape. Then I press them down, just roll them and press them down. And some I'm just going to add the strawberries on top. just to give it a different look and make it look pretty. And then I'll do this for 6 hours or overnight, and they are ready by then. You don't have to turn over or nothing, it's just they'll be ready even in the oven for 6 hours and they're good. And that is it for 6 hours. Hi guys, these are the cookies, the raw cookies. These ones we made with cacao nibs and bananas, and then this ones we put some strawberries. They also have bananas, but we put some strawberries. When I heat it, you can feel it's really nice and hard. I'm not going to eat them or demonstrate myself eating because today is the day I do my cleanse. So I'm just on a liquid diet today. Tomorrow I can taste and you can see how it is. So this is how they came out. Nice and hard. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video you can subscribe for more recipes. Bye.